Hello everyone. Never anger the wrong people on the highway. This video will show you the most breathtaking chases and brutal acts of revenge captured by dash cams. When reason disappears, people become wilder than ever. Buckle up, the show is about to begin. They fought despite the congested streets and the attempts of others to stop them. Wouldn't it have been more peaceful if we had just hugged each other from the beginning?
Response over and over again. I'm not saying the baby does it frequently on the campaign trail, but a reporter from Vox has a completely different take, writing, quote, and this is the title for the article, I saw a Marco Rubio town hall in New Hampshire
You a clout chaser ass bitch. You're a clout chaser. You don't be on shit. Ready?
Yeah.
Perhaps that old man is enjoying his hammer to the point of madness.
I want that truck off my lawn.
Keep doing it.
In the end, after a street brawl, everyone suffered losses. It would be a joke for the person who was provoked.
Flight colectivo, bueno, flight colectivos así, es un choro. Flight. Flight con un fierro, ¿para qué se lo con un fierro? ¿Y qué le hizo al auto, man?
Lo cerró, el huevón.
Era huevonado, lo cerró.
Lo dejó cerrado ahora.
Y no puede entrar, mira, no puede sacarla.
Ah.
Qué pajarón. Por choro que me he botado solo, me decía.
Well, that escalated quickly. What the hell is this?
O senhor tá batendo no carro dos outros! Ô, vizinho! Ô, o senhor tá acabando com o carro dos outros! O senhor tá doido? O senhor bateu nos carros tudo ali, ó! Bateu nos carros tudo lá, ó!
That's terrible. Dad met a Karen today. He intended to overtake the truck, but traffic isn't always as simple as you think. Stopping to watch a fight, aren't you afraid of causing a traffic jam? Road rage doesn't prove strength. It only exposes the weakness of reason.
내가 어디 가서 잠깐 얘기.
He tries to overtake, then slams the brakes, just to prove something even he doesn't understand. A simple honk suddenly becomes the spark for rage. On the road, no one wins in situations like this. A reckless driver tries to merge 3 lanes from far left to right in just a few seconds. He rages foolishly. Two wrongs don't make a right. Both drivers were too hot-tempered.
And I was thinking, I'm gonna... What? What? How do we know? Oh, please just let him go past us. Honey. How do we know this man? How do we know him?
Can I help you? Can I help you? Get back in your fucking car. Get back in your car. Get back in your car. Because you're a fucking loser. Because you're a fucking loser. Because you're a fucking loser. You're a fucking loser.
It's a green light!
You're a loser.
A simple honk instantly frustrates them. Yielding and keeping a safe distance is always the best way to avoid someone else's road rage.
Al hijo de mi amigo por ir así, lo agarró la policía.
¿Así?
It's chilling to see cars turned into weapons of mass destruction. Hopefully, you've learned a lesson about self-restraint. Do you want to see the police swoop in and apprehend these reckless individuals in the most satisfying way? The next video on the screen will give you the answer immediately. Click to watch now.